If you've ever opened TradingView and felt completely lost looking at all the lines, candles, and indicators, this video will fix that. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to read charts on TradingView, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's jump right in. First, go to TradingView and open any chart. You can search for a stock, crypto, or index at the top. For this example, it doesn't really matter what you pick, because the basics are the same across all charts. Once your chart is open, the first thing you need to understand is the candlesticks. Each candle represents price movement over a specific period of time. That time frame is controlled right here at the top. For example, if you select 1 day, each candle represents 1 full day. If you select 5 minutes, each candle represents 5 minutes. Now here's how to read a single candle. A green candle means price went up during that time period. A red candle means price went down. The bottom and top of the thick part of the candle show the open and close prices. The thin lines, called wicks, show the highest and lowest price reached during that time. Quick tip here. Beginners often ignore the wicks, but they actually matter. Long wicks can signal rejection or volatility, so don't overlook them. Next, let's talk about the trend. Zoom out slightly on your chart and look at the overall direction. If price is consistently moving higher with higher highs and higher lows, that's an uptrend. If it's moving lower with lower highs and lower lows, that's a downtrend. Avoid the mistake of focusing only on a few candles. Always zoom out to understand the bigger picture first. Now let's look at support and resistance, which are key levels on any chart. Support is a price level where the asset tends to stop falling and bounce back up. Resistance is where price tends to stop rising and pull back down. You can draw these levels using the horizontal line tool on TradingView. Look for areas where price has reacted multiple times. Those levels tend to be more important. Small tip, don't try to draw perfect lines. Think of support and resistance as zones, not exact prices. Next, let's briefly touch on volume, which you'll see at the bottom of the chart. Volume shows how much of an asset is being traded during each candle. Higher volume usually means stronger moves, while low volume can signal weak or uncertain price action. A common beginner mistake is ignoring volume completely. It gives context to the price movement, so it's worth paying attention to. Finally, let's keep indicators simple. TradingView has tons of indicators, but if you're just starting out, don't overload your chart. One simple indicator you can try is the moving average. It helps smooth out price action and makes trends easier to see. You can add it from the Indicators tab and start with something like the 50-day moving average. But remember, indicators should support your analysis, not replace it. So to recap quickly, focus on understanding candlesticks, identify the trend, mark key support and resistance levels, and use volume to confirm what you're seeing. If you can get these basics down, you're already ahead of most beginners. That's it for this video. If this helped you understand TradingView charts, make sure to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.